Hello everybody, I'm Noah from Easy Noah channel. Hello, in this video we're gonna practice the word BEI. Before we practice this word, let's practice EI first. We pronounce EI as A, A, A. So the first word that we will learn today is BEI. We pronounce it Bay, Bay. Alright, so bay means to be empty, to run out of something. Let's see the first example. The first example is Anh bày ta hi lầu mỏ, yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Anh bày ta hi lầu mỏ, yêu hoàn kiệt đa. So here the first sentence. Anh bày ta hi lầu mỏ. It means there is no rice left. Anh is rice. Anh bày ta hi lầu mỏ. There is no rice left. And the next is yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Should we cook again? Example number 2. Dasi beta hi manin lian pi in atun kiki. Dasi beta hi manin. Dasi is gas or petrol. Dasi beta hi manin means there is no more gas. Lian pi in atun kiki. So lian pi filled it up. Example number 3. So the example number 3 is Mi khol non ke mi beta e. The first class is Mi khol non ke. Mi is people. Mi means there are people. Mi khol non ke means no one is here anymore or no one is there anymore. Mi beta e, which means everyone is gone or there is nobody left. There is nobody left. Mi beta e. There is nobody left. Alright, so you have learned 3 example sentences and I will read each sentence again. Please listen carefully to each word. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Anh beta hi lầu mỏ, yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Now I will read each word separately. Anh beta hi lầu mỏ, yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Normal speech. Anh beta hi lầu mỏ, yêu hoàn kiệt đa. Example number 2. Dasi beta hi manin lian pi in atun kiek hi. Now I will read in a slower speech. Dasi beta hi man in lian pi in atun kiek hi. Now I will read in the normal speech. Dasi beta hi manin lian pi in atun kiek hi. The third example sentence. Mi khol non ke mi beta e. Now I will read in a slower speech. Mi khol non ke e mi beta e. Now I will read in the normal speech. Mi khol non ke mi beta e. There's a bonus word for this lesson that is bei dong. B-E-I bei D-O-N-G dong. Bei dong. Dong, alright, bei dong. So it means being helpless or to feel helpless. In this example sentence, bei dong kakisai. This means I feel helpless. Bei dong is helpless. Kakisai means I feel like. Bei dong kakisai means I feel helpless. That's it for today. And if you have any question, feel free to comment if you are watching on YouTube. And if you are watching this from Facebook, I want you to ask on Messenger. All right. See you in the next video. Bye bye.